Vinyl records are popular again for music. It's probably because they remind us of those cool times when we were young and everything was great. There were no wars on the planet, and we ate only organic food because there was no other food.
What?
And probably because it's physical, we are getting a bit tired of those digital virtual products, including music. And we simply like collecting vinyls in nice boxes and pretending we are better audiophiles than those that just use Spotify or Tidal. So obviously for records to play, you need a turntable. And today we are talking about yet another Angel's Horn product. Angel's Horn specializes in very affordable, mostly all-in-one turntable systems. I say turntable systems because it includes a preamplifier, an amplifier, and also speakers. So everything you need to play music from your vinyl. Just go to your nearest vinyl store or supermarket, get some vinyls, and you can spin them on Angel's Horn without any need for extra setup like separate preamplifiers, amplifiers, speakers, etc. I said that Angel's Horn specializes in making affordable turntables. And of course, this one is no exception, believe it or not, but the entire system is just around 300 US dollars. The price varies depending on the place where you buy it from, whether it's Amazon or directly on Angel Horn's website, and whether there is a promo or not. So check both. I will put the link or both links in the description below so you can see where the price is best at the current moment. Seeing a complete music setup, including a turntable, for around 300 US dollars, you would think that the quality will be mediocre at best. But you can be surprised with this one, as I was, or actually I wasn't, because I have already reviewed another Angel's Horn product before, so I knew the quality is pretty nice, even for a price range higher than $300. Everything that seems to be wood is wood and nicely veneered. The plate is made of aluminum, and it also has an anti-slip felt mat. What's interesting is that they use Audio-Technica's cartridge in a turntable is this small head that includes a needle, and these are AT3600 cartridges, I think. So they are basic Audio-Technica cartridges, but I have exactly the same cartridge in my Riga turntable that is around 50% more expensive than this one, and it's just a plain turntable, no amplifier, no preamplifier, and of course no speakers. And if you don't have enough vinyls to spin, you can always use Bluetooth to connect your phone or your computer and stream music from your phone or computer through this system. Let's face it, you won't rock a huge party with this system because the amplifier outputs only 18 watts of power, and those speakers are not the biggest ones. They are two-way speakers. Let me just take off the grill. You can do that. Two-way speakers mean that it has a separate low and mid-range speaker and a separate tweeter for upper range sound, but it does not produce too much bass below 80 hertz. So you should not be expecting like earthquake in your living room, or you should not expect the music to fill a huge hall. Now let me unplug it and show you the back, because it is also quite interesting. So here it is on the back, and since it has a built-in amplifier, it has also speaker tabs. Those are those springed tiny speaker tabs that only accept bare wires, and the speakers come with those tiny bare wires as well. So maybe in time you might want to upgrade your speaker cables, because as we all know, those are the most important element of your music system.
And sarcasm is like a second language to me.
Then we have power input. It's powered with a wall wart power supply. Here we have a switch between phono and line output. And this is where it gets interesting, because you can also plug this adapter to your existing stereo system, or when you keep it in your bedroom to listen to vinyls in the evening on those speakers, but you have your main system in your living room. So you just unplug the turntable and use those RCAs to plug to your more powerful amplifier. Use your main speakers like I did when listening here in the living room, and you get a much more enjoyable experience. Or you can go a step further, and with this switching to phono, you can use the same RCA outputs to output the signal from the turntable to an external, to an external phono stage or phono preamplifier that is able to produce even higher quality of the music from this turntable. So as you can see, this is a very versatile piece of equipment. It can be used like right out of the box. And speaking of the boxes, it came triple boxed, of course, with plenty of styrofoam, etc. So you don't have to worry about this being in any way damaged during the delivery, even though it is quite a precise and delicate device. But coming back to my thought, you can use it straight out of the box with provided speakers. You can attach it to your existing stereo system, or you can even attach an external phono stage to elevate your vinyl experience even higher. It comes with a comic book like quick setup guide, so even a complete beginner that has never seen a turntable before will be able to set it up. It only requires putting a belt here and adjusting the counterweight on the arm of the of the turntable for the needle to work properly. And it comes with a 3-year warranty on all main markets, US, UK and EU. So no worries if anything needs repairing or replacing. So who I would recommend this turntable system to? Definitely, it's a great choice for the beginners, those who are just dipping their toes into the world of vinyl. And if you plan to do that, I strongly advise against it, because it's like a very deep rabbit hole. Once you start buying your vinyls, you will be spending all your money on vinyls only. So be warned. It is also a great choice for those who want a second music system and want to spin records at the same time, because you can put it in your study or in your bedroom and don't need anything else, so it doesn't take a lot of space. But at the same time, you can like spread those speakers apart pretty widely, not wildly, and have a more prominent soundstage and stereo experience. And as I have already mentioned, it will probably stay with you for a long time, or at least it can stay with you for a long time, because even as you progress in your audiophile journey and want to upgrade the sound quality, you can still use this turntable just with an external amp and external speakers, or also with an external preamp or phono stage. I was very satisfied using this turntable both in my study as a standalone system and those speakers, and in my living room with my main system, which consists of a tube amplifier and big Wharfdale Linton speakers. It performed good enough for me not to miss anything, although I must admit I don't have a high-end turntable, and I don't have high-end recordings, because the quality of music mainly depends on the recording that you have. I don't have those first Japanese pressings that are allegedly perfect in every sense. I just buy my vinyls in the, well, maybe not in a supermarket, but in a nearest vinyl store. Sometimes I buy second-hand vinyls. So yeah, just like any other regular folks. And as I said, I was not missing anything listening to them on this turntable attached to my main systems. So given the price of around 300 US dollars, given the quality of the turntable, the components, and versatility of it, I would say it's a very easy choice for the beginners or those who are looking for a small do-it-all music system that also includes turntables. So it gets my high recommendation, and I'm sure you will also enjoy it when you decide to get this turntable. Even though it has a very long name, the model is HP H00501. So like those famous Levi's jeans, 501. Well, that was my last joke for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see my face more often, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel, where I try to discuss music or audio gear, and also music from the perspective of a very ordinary guy. So probably someone like most of you watching this video. Thank you and see you next time. Bye.